So New Year's just ended, like they still have the Christmas tree here. But it's so weird that I'm already flying out to a con. Cool guys, this is Arizona Taiyou con. So I just landed in Phoenix. It's about 3:15 right now. It's not hot, surprisingly, it's only 63 degrees. So I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up right now. One of these cars. Hello Jamie. So I just checked into the hotel. It's really nice. I want to get the venue for you guys before it gets too dark. But I get this view right here, so I guess this is where people hang out. Yeah. Okay, but before I go out there, I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour. It's super dark right now, so I'm gonna turn on the lights. To get most of the Delta hotel for you guys, but it was dark by the time I got out of my hotel room, so I just ended up going to the gym, worked out. I was a little tired, caught up with my friend, we had a few drinks, and I met a bunch of TaiyouCon staff, which are super awesome people, so I'm excited for TaiyouCon tomorrow. It's about 10:40 right now, so I'm gonna take a nap, sleep, and then wake up early, and then get the outside for you guys. All right, I'm gonna call day 0 here quits. Good morning. I set my alarm at 7 this morning, but it's 6:20. For some reason, I couldn't go to sleep. You know, it's kind of like a kid that's excited to go to Disneyland. All right, this is day 1. Let's go. All right, so you guys are like, why do I always go to the gym? Well, in my opinion, it makes my face look better. No, I'm kidding. I don't know, it just wakes me up, gets the circulation going, and I feel great for the rest of the day, so that's why I do it. So I just finished my gym session. If you guys are here at the Delta Hotel and you want breakfast, you gotta come out to the hotel and then walk right here. This is Cafe Azul, where we have breakfast. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we just got into the front entrance. There's a lot of people out here already. This is Gail. Thank you so much. She's gonna be taking care of me for this weekend. All right. So we just set up. The exhibit vendors hall is not open until 2 p.m. So it's perfect timing because I don't have to come back until 3. So I have my panel in about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go to the ballroom right now. All right, guys. There's about 30 minutes left for my panel, so I'm a little nervous. No, I'm excited. Okay, see you guys in a bit. You know, whatever works for them. So, because there's both ways that work, you can do both. Like, you can do both or you can pick one. It'll be okay. And all it comes down to is you doing the work. That's all it is. There's no, I'm gonna go to school and get this degree and it's gonna put me up. Because, you know, that's what I thought when I like paid for, like I paid $3,000 for like an MCAT course, and I was like, oh, this is gonna give me like that high score. You know, the class is great, it's a great teacher and everything. But at the end of the day, it's the work you do for yourself. Like you can get a personal trainer, but if you don't do that push-up or pull-up, you're not gonna get the muscles. Okay guys, we just finished the panel. It was pretty good. Thank you guys for coming out. You guys were there at the panel. I'm gonna go check out the con floor right now and see what they have.
It's a whole different atmosphere here.
Yeah, so tomorrow, Dobu Lounge. Tomorrow, see this guy.
Yeah.
He's gonna be like extra pretty.
Alright guys, I'm here with Hunter, and it's your first time here in Taiyou.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Honestly, like, it's been like hella fun. Like honestly,
Yeah?
a couple of the panels been really good.
Okay.
Yeah, right now at the vendors, like I'm kind of looking around for some stuff. A lot of stuff looking pretty good. Not gonna lie.
And it's your first time at any con, right?
Yeah, first con ever.
Okay.
So,
Have fun, dude.
yeah, thanks, man.
See ya. Yo, you guys, check this out. Look at this crossover. But the sword is awesome. It glows too.
Hi guys.
Cool. Thank you so much. It's like the Deku-verse.
Oh, this is taking a whole.
We're thinking of the same thing, right?
How does it look? What's up?
I was like, we're thinking the same thing.
I
Like,
know.
both arms
Just
ripped.
switch the arms.
Check this out, guys. Look at this. Super dope. How'd you make that top headpiece?
Oh my gosh, it was such a little pain.
You guys probably don't recognize her, but this is Jamie, the one that picked me up from the airport. She's so different. What is going on, guys? So I did my whole meet and greet. It was fun, chill. I'm gonna go back to the vendors hall. I'm out of cosplay because I'm gonna be in cosplay all day tomorrow. But I'm gonna get the artist alley and vendor halls for you guys. So let's go there right now. So by the way, these are the only stairs to the second floor. Because if you're inside there and waiting for the elevator, you can't find the stairs. They're actually on the outside. So just a tip. So I'm just gonna go here. This is the gaming zone. I'm gonna go in here and check it out. So that was the gaming hall. I'm just doing a quick 360 around there and get some views for you guys. So let's go check out the vendors hall this way. Okay, so you guys know the deal. I'm just gonna go around, find whatever I think is cool, and get that for you guys.
Yeah, I know, because we were supposed to be eating it when you ate them all.
You're talking so much. That's fine. This is life, con life.
It's Death Stranding.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Death Stranding.
So that concludes the artist alley and vendors hall. So that's basically gonna be day one. I'm gonna chill for tonight, work on this, put it up for you guys, and then tomorrow's masquerade, which is gonna be a long day for me. Cool. Thank you. Cool, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Look at this, guys. Man, ooh, you gotta check out the Matcha Cafe. That blessed lighting right there. So that was pretty interesting detour, but I think that will conclude the vlog for day one. Cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow.